I got the little truck this week. My hat has a work indicator. When it starts looking like that, it means I've been working. I did a 50 excavator. That was pretty sweet. And I did a forklift.
Very nice.
And now we have a 2026 mint condition Trailblazer. And then we got a roller on the back here. I could not find the transport pin. It's probably missing over the years. There's a spot for it, so 6 chains instead of 4 chains. Very nice. Cruising. I'm heading out to Edmonton. Good times. Little truck on the road.